Good morning, children. We have studied about the second lesson of economics, that is meaning and types of economy. About the meaning and types of economy that we have to study today. Meaning and types of economy. What is an economy that we have to learn? Economy is man-made organization for satisfaction of human wants. In our nature, we can see so many things. In our nature, we can see so many things. Some items may be made by the people in the nature. In the nature, some items may be made by the people. Railway line, bus stand, buses, lorry, jeep, car, road, aeroplane. All these are examples of man-made things. These items are made by the people. But in the nature there are so many other things which are not at all made by us. It will be made by nature, for example, river, nadi, ocean, sea. All these things are made by nature. But economy is not at all made by nature. Economy is not at all made by the nature. Then economy is made by the people. For what purpose? For satisfying the wants. Economy is made by the people. What is the meaning of wants? That we go to wants. Wants are those things which are unlimited in their nature. Human wants are unlimited. Human wants are really unlimited. After the satisfaction of one want, another one will come. That means human wants are unlimited. So, in order to satisfy human wants, what is that? In order to satisfy human wants, people made economy. What are the features of economy that we have there? What are the specialties or what are the characteristics of an economy? What are the features or what are the characteristics of an economy that we have there? What are the features or what are the characteristics of an economy that we should know? Features or characteristics of an economy. Features or characteristics of an economy. First one. Individuals are there in an economy. People. Without people, there will be no meaning for economy. Individuals or people are there in an economy. And there are so many economic institutions in an economy. So many economic institutions are there in an economy. Enough or so many economic institutions are there in economy. And government also is there. In an economy, there is the presence of government. What the government is doing, that we have to think. Government is controlling the individuals and the economic institutions. Economy is dynamic. Economy is not static. Economy is changing always. Economy is not same. Economy is not at all same always. Economy is always changing. From time to time, always the economy is changing. Production, consumption, investment, they are major activities of an economy. Production. What is the meaning of production? I have told you several times. Several times I had told you what is the meaning of production. Meaning of production I had told you. What is mean by production? Then what is the meaning of this one? What is mean by production? Production means creating utility or creating value to the item is known as production. Everything want its own value. Creating value is known as production. Giving value or creating value is known as production. Without value we will not purchase any item. Every item should have its own value. Without value, I told you in the prayer, without clear value, we will not purchase anything. So, creating value is known as production. Making value or creating value is known as production. Or creating utility is known as production. What is the meaning of utility that we have seen? What is mean by utility? Utility means the one satisfying capacity of an item is known as utility. I am drinking Sprite because Sprite is having the utility of satisfying my thirst needed. I am eating banana because banana is having the ability to satisfy my hunger, hustle. So production is an important activity in the economy. Consumption. Another important activity in an economy is known as consumption. Consumption is another important activity in an economy. Consumption. What is consumption? Usage of one item, either for mind or for body, is known as consumption. Usage of one item, either for the mind or for the body, is known by what name? Is known by the name consumption. For example, one example of mental consumption will be listening music is an example of mental consumption. We are going to see a film. Seeing film is an example of mental consumption. That is mental consumption. Then another one. Physical consumption, mental consumption is that consumption is an important activity of economy. Investment, usage of money or using of money in the economic field is known as investment. One person is planning to start a small business. A person is planning to start a kirana shop. He spent 10 lakh rupees for starting that shop. That is his investment. A person is planning to start agriculture. A person is planning to start agriculture. He spent 20 lakh rupees for purchasing the land. That is investment. Production, consumption, investment are the major activities of an economy. Production, consumption and investments are the major activities of an economy. Then, in an economy, nobody is completely a consumer. In an economy, no one or nobody is completely a consumer. All the people are consumers and producers. In an economy, all the people or all are consumers and producers. In an economy, all the people are both consumers and producers. One person cannot become only a consumer. is consuming items. At the same time, he is a producer also. At the same time, he is a producer also. What he is doing? He is producing wheat, godi, here is agricultural land. Or he is producing or cultivating rice in his agricultural land. That will be utilized by other people. So, all the people are both consumers and producers. Then, modern economic system is very complex. Modern economic system is not at all simple. Modern economic system is very, very complex. And in an economic system, what is that? In an economic system, there are so many associations to control the people. Asian Development of ADB, WTO, World Trade Organization, IMF, International Monetary Fund, worldwide, all these associations are there. All these associations are there to control the people in an economic system. Capitalism, one economic system is known as capitalism. One of the major types of economic systems are known by what names? Capitalism. What are the specialities of capitalism that we are reading? How many specialities are there for capitalism, or what are the specialities of capitalism that we are reading? Specialities of capitalism. First one, private property is there in capitalism. Industries, agriculture and trade, commerce, etc. will be under the control of the people. In a capitalist economy, everything will be under the control of the people. Freedom of enterprise. In a capitalist economy, all the people are having the freedom to start industries, agriculture, trade, commerce, transport, communication, etc. Consumer sovereignty. Sovereignty means complete freedom. In a capitalist economy, what is that? In a capitalist economy, all the people are having complete freedom. So many producers are there. In a capitalist economy, so many producers are there. They are producing so many items. So people can select the best item from all those items. People can select the best item from all those items. Consumers have complete freedom. Profit motive. In a capitalist economy, what is that? In a capitalist economy, making profit. In a capitalist economy, making profit is the most important duty of all the industrial owners. For example, in a capitalist economy, one person is starting one sugar industry. He is starting sugar industry not for the society. He is starting sugar industry for making profit down. Absence of government interference. What is that? In capitalism, in a capitalist economy, what is that? In a capitalist economy, what will be the government will not interfere in the life of the people. In a capitalist economy, government will not interfere in the affairs of the people without business. Once more, I will tell you children. Dear children, once more I will tell you. See, listen here. One lesson from economics we are studying. Meaning and types of economy. Meaning and types of economy is an important part from economics. What is an economy that we have to think? What is the meaning of an economy? What is the meaning of an economy that we have to think? An economy is a man-made organization for the satisfaction of human wants. Economy is not given by the nature. Economy is made by the people. Economy is not at all given by the nature to us. Economy is made by us. For what purpose we made the economy? For the satisfaction of wants, human wants. For the satisfaction of human wants, we made the economy. People made the economy. People are having so many wants. After one want, another want will come. After one want, another want will come. So, for the satisfaction of human wants, what we do? For the satisfaction of human wants, people made the economy. What are the features or what are the specialities of economy? What are the features or what are the specialities of economy that we are studying? Features or specialities of our economy. First one. In an economy, people are there. Economic institutions are there. Government also is there. What is the duty of the government? Government is controlling the economic institutions. Government is controlling the economic institutions. Economy is dynamic. This is the second feature of economy. Without any change, economy will not continue. Without more change or without any change, economy will not continue. Without any change. Always there will be change in economy. That is known as economy is dynamic. Always there will be change in the economy. So that we are using the word. Economy is dynamic. Economy is always changing. Economy is dynamic or economy is always changing. Production, consumption, investment are the major activities of the economy. Production. What is the meaning of production? That is the thing. What is the meaning of production? What is meant by production? That is the thing. Meaning of production. Production means giving utility or use to some items is known as production. For example, in Mudhol area, so many sugar industries are there. So many sugar industries are there in the economy. Sugar industries. What is the raw material of sugar industry? What is raw material? Raw material is kacha vastu. What is the raw material of sugar industry? Sugarcane. Sugarcane is bringing to the sugar factory and they are giving utility in the factory. They are taking juice from the sugarcane. By taking juice from the sugarcane, they are giving utility to the sugarcane juice. They are producing sugar. Sugar is called use or utility. This product process is known as production. Consumption. Use of one item either mentally or physically is known as consumption. Usage of one item either mentally or physically is known as consumption. We are seeing one film. That is an example of mental consumption. We are seeing one film. That is an example of mental consumption. We are eating chapati. That is an example of physical consumption. Investment. Usage of money in the economic field. Usage of money in economic activity, that is known as investment. Usage of money for economic activity is known as investment. So, production, consumption, investment are the three economic activities. Then, people are both consumers and producers. In an economy, no one can remain as a consumer, or in an economy, no one can remain as a producer. In an economy, all the people are both consumers and producers. In an economy, all the people are both consumers and producers. We are eating food items from the hotel. We are eating food items or food materials from the hotel. We are a consumer. At the same time, we are producers also. What we are doing? The particular person who is eating chapati is a farmer. He is producing rice for Nellu, Akki in agriculture, and he is a producer. All the people are consumers and producers. Modern economic system is complex. There are so many problems in the modern economic system. So many problems are there in the modern economic system. So many are there. So many problems are there in the modern economic system. So many problems are there. So it is not simple. There are so many associations which are made to control the people. Yet the Asian Development Bank, World Trade Organization, IMF, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, all these associations are there to control the people. So, modern economic system is very complex. They are controlling the people. Modern economic system is very complex. They are controlling the people in different ways. Then, what are the different types of economic system? Different types of economic system. What is capitalism? What are the features of capitalism that we are learning? What are the important features of capitalism? What are the major features of capitalism that we are learning? First one. In a capitalist economy, private property is there. In capitalism or in a capitalist economy, private property is there. Those who do have money can start an industry. Those who do have money can start a business. Those who do have money can purchase vehicles. Those who do have money can purchase agriculture. In capitalism, private property is having its own need or importance. In capitalism, private property is having its own meaning and importance. Freedom of enterprise. Those who are having money can start anything in capitalism. Freedom is there, freedom. Government will not interfere in the economic activities of the people without reasons. Government will not interfere in the economic activities of the people without reasons. Freedom of enterprise is there in capitalism. Consumers of sovereignty. What is the meaning of sovereignty? That I have told you last time. consumers do have sovereignty. Sovereignty means, what is sovereignty? Sovereignty means the power or ability of the consumers to use that power. That means, in capitalism, producers are producing so many items in capitalism. In capitalism, producers are producing so many items. And consumers can select best item from all those items. Consumers can select best item from all those items. So, in capitalism, what is that? Consumers have enough choice. If a person wants soap, bathing soap, thousands of types of soap will be there. Thousands of types of soap will be there. So, in capitalism, what is that? Consumers can select enough items from so many items. Profit motive. In capitalism, what is that? In capitalism or in capitalist economy, the main idea behind the starting of in capitalism, the main idea behind the starting of industries are to make profit. For example, in capitalism, imagine that one person is starting a sugar industry. One person is starting one sugar industry. Why he is starting sugar industry? He is starting sugar industry only for making profit. Absence of government interference. In capitalism or in capitalist economy, government interference will not be there. In capitalism or in capitalist economy, government will give maximum freedom to the people. In some situations only, government will interfere. Absence of government interference is there in capitalism. I think, children, you are able to follow today's video. If you do have doubts, please call me.